Hello once again. This is the Silver Howler again. How are you? Today we are going to be covering the wonderful creature that many of you know that has a duck bill, and that is the platypus. But before we cover that, we have something for you, which is, as I said in the last video, we have the Niffler plush toy from Fantastic Beasts, and it will be here until December 20th. So like, subscribe, and leave comment below for your chance to win the Niffler toy. You could win the Niffler plush toys from Fantastic Beasts by subscribing, commenting, and clicking the bell icon. But back to the platypus. The platypus, or in Latin also known as Ornithorhynchus anatinus, can grow to 15 inches long and about 5 inches tall. They weigh on average, about 3 pounds, and they are near threatened. They are a monotreme, which means a single hole in Greek. And it's very similar to reptiles, because everything that they do, they go to the bathroom and they give birth out of that one opening, but as mammal. Platypi are only in the island of Tasmania, which is part of Australia, and they have no stomach, and that is very rare for a mammal. The other creatures that do have that are echidnas and fish, and they don't have the stomach acid producing organs in them either. Their duck bill is magic. It's made of thousands of cells and can detect electric fields by everything alive around them. And to make things even more crazy is that they can hunt with their eyes, ears, mouth, and nose closed. They also lay leather eggs, similar to the echidna, but the mothers don't have any nipples. Therefore, like I said with the echidna, they drip milk for the babies to drink in the folds of the mother's skin and out of her fur. And in case you're wondering what the babies are called, they're called baby platypus. I know, it's kind of lame, but whatever. Unlike the common beaver, they don't use their tails to slap the water as a warning or anything like that because of their flat tails. They don't even use their tail to swim. They use their tails to store fat. The mothers also use their tail to incubate their eggs by holding the eggs to their body for them to hatch. It also takes about 10 days for them to hatch as well. They also, similar to the echidna, have no teeth. What they eat is they eat worms, insects, shellfish, and other living critters down the bottom of the river, or in the lakes or streams. And because they don't have stomachs, you're probably wondering how they digest their food, especially if they don't have teeth as well. Well, one of the things that they use is they use gravel. Now, how is that, you might ask? Well, how they do it is they pick up the gravel in their mouth, and then they bite on it, they go up to the surface, and they use those as makeshift teeth to break down those things that are hard to eat. It exerts 30% more energy on land. What's cool is that its webbed feet retract when on land, so it can walk more easily. And you definitely see those claws. For those fans of you out there for platypi, you probably know about the males and their barbed hooks on their back feet. Well, also during mating season, the male platypi have venom flow through their barbs, or at least more venom. And that, of course, is to fight off males for females, but possibly sometimes stun the females to be able to mate with them if they try to run away. The venom that the platypi hold in their back legs is made of defensive-like proteins, or DLPs. There are 3 things that are only found in the platypus. The venom can severely hurt and kill small animals, but it can't kill people unless you're allergic to their venom somehow. But speaking of humans and mammals, we have only 2 chromosomes, 2 gender chromosomes, the XX chromosome and the XY chromosome. XX is for females and XY is for males. But platypi have 10 gender chromosomes. Also, along with chromosomes, female milk may be the answer to defeating superbugs. You might be thinking, what? Well, because the milk that the females produce does not come out a sterile way, so it needs to have a protection, an added protection, to fight bacteria in the environment. It was recently discovered, or released in 2018, this year, that the proteins had a ringlet-like structure. The structure was very unique in comparison to other proteins. It could mean that there's a unique therapeutic function that it has. These are just some of the amazing functions that the platypus has that is located in Tasmania. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon, and you could win that amazing little plush niffler from Fantastic Beasts. Hope all goes well. May nature always be on your side, and have a great day.